In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to correct envelopes in DocuSign step by step. If you've ever sent a document and realized you made a mistake, maybe you added the wrong recipient, forgot to update the message, or need to add an extra field, don't worry. DocuSign allows you to correct an envelope even after it's been sent, as long as it hasn't been fully completed. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can fix your agreement quickly and professionally. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home dashboard, where you can see your recent activity and envelopes. From here, look at the top navigation menu and click on Agreements. This section shows all the envelopes you've sent, received, or are currently managing. Inside the Agreements tab, you'll see a list of your documents. Find the envelope that you want to correct. Make sure the envelope is still in progress and not fully completed, because once an envelope is completed, you won't be able to edit it. After you locate the correct envelope, move your mouse to the right side of that row and click on the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Correct. DocuSign will now open the correction view for that specific envelope. At this point, you can start making changes. If you need to change the recipients, for example if you entered the wrong email address or need to replace a signer, you can edit the recipient details directly in this screen. You can update their name, email address, or even change the signing order if necessary. Just make sure the information is accurate before moving forward. If instead you need to change the message that was sent with the envelope, you can scroll to the Email Message section. Here you can edit the subject line and the body of the email. This is useful if you need to clarify instructions, correct a typo, or add additional context for the signer. Once you've updated recipients or the message, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you to the document preparation screen. In this area, you can modify the fields inside the document itself. For example, if you forgot to add a signature field, date field, text field, or checkbox, you can simply drag and drop the required element from the left panel onto the document. Make sure you assign each field to the correct recipient so the right person is prompted to complete it. You can also resize or reposition fields by clicking and dragging them into place. Take a moment to carefully review the document and confirm that all required fields are present and correctly assigned. This step is very important because it ensures the signing process goes smoothly after you resend the corrected envelope. Once you are satisfied with all your changes, look toward the top or bottom of the screen and click on Correct to finalize the updates. DocuSign will then resend the corrected envelope to the recipients. They'll receive an updated notification reflecting the changes you made. And that's it. That's how you correct an envelope in DocuSign. As long as the envelope hasn't been completed, you can adjust recipients, update the message, and even add or modify fields without starting from scratch. This can save you a lot of time and prevent confusion for your signers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy DocuSign guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.